I'm making over the back wall in my dining room with the cutest peel and stick wallpaper from Amazon with my 10 best tips. When picking your wallpaper buddy, just make sure it's not your husband. Be prepared for mistakes. But that's the glory of peel and stick wallpaper. Don't be afraid to just remove it and try again. For example, this area was a hot mess, so we decided to trim the bottom off, add a new piece, which gave us the perfect alignment. Buy a couple extra rolls to be prepared for anything. Make sure to prep your walls appropriately depending on texture. This house has smooth walls, but I've done plenty of walls with knockdown. Consider unexpected partners like my 11-year-old son. We both thrive on a project together, and he's a perfectionist. Be prepared with supplies. This smoothing tool has a soft edge so you don't have to scratch your wallpaper. You also need a straight edge with a metal ruler for trimming. And my last and most favorite tip is to do something out of your comfort zone. I can't wait to show you how I decorated this wall tomorrow.